The complete solar power solution at Success Solar Power. Sales and service of solar water heater, solar home lighting system, solar street lighting system, CFL and LED, solar power plant, on-grid and off-grid, solar water pump, solar panel 3 kilowatts to 250 watts power. Also undertake high power and luminous Sukham Company UPS and battery, RO water purifiers, chimney, electric geysers. Generate your own solar energy with us. Success Lights, number 8, Bimala Complex, Krishnagiri Bypass Road, near ICICI Bank, Hosur. Phone 04344 244711. Cell 9445515970. Branches: Bangalore, Bepanapalli, Vaniyambadi.